Hey, what's happening, guys? Good morning, YouTube. What's going on, guys? You've tuned into Rules for Rebels and another episode of Weird Products Daily, a daily series where we highlight weird, interesting, and unique products. Some of these products are cool gadgets, some are impulse buy type items, some are gag gifts, and others are just plain weird. Today we're looking at the Catalonia oversized Sherpa hoodie sweatshirt. I always hate reading these Amazon listings because everybody just keyword stuffs them, so they don't actually read like listings. But essentially this is, one of those warm kind of Sherpa sweaters, Sherpa blankets, but it's a giant oversized hoodie. People like everything bigger, right? Like a truck is cool, but a truck that's lifted with big tires is even cooler. A McDonald's meal is good, people like it, but you supersize it. A liter of cola and a large fries, people like it even better. Everybody likes everything bigger. This kind of reminds me, I saw an episode of Shark Tank a while back. I forget what they called it, but I think they called it like the Big Joe or something. But these guys basically just invented a giant hoodie, and it was a giant hoodie that when you're sitting on the couch, you can kind of tuck your legs into it. People like comfy things. People like big things. This also kind of reminds me of the Snuggie, which was really popular. What's kind of smart about this are taking kind of a proven concept already, big, comfortable things, and kind of, adding a twist of the soft Sherpa blanket. Now you could copy something like this. I imagine there's probably pretty good margins on it, 35 bucks. You could probably get something like this made for, I'm gonna say like $8 to $15. So pretty good margins on something like this. And the other thing, if you can find a product that you can like supersize like this, it's a fairly easy product to do. A lot of times contacting Alibaba suppliers and trying to customize something like a backpack can get complicated because they may not get the measurements right. You're not an artist, but you're trying to kind of draw up something for them. What's kind of easy about things like clothing, hoodies, etc., is you could literally find a supplier on Alibaba who makes either Sherpa blankets or hoodies and be like, hey, I want to buy one of your products, but make it fucking gigantic. And really, it's as easy as just kind of doubling, tripling, quadrupling, sextupling the dimensions, scaling it up larger, and you pretty much have this product. Let's take a look at their photos. Family fun, comfort, cozy. Doesn't look quite as big in like this fun picture as it does on this little girl. So we'd have to, so they show the measurements here as well. What is this? This is 34-inch arms, 30-inch around the arms, 78 inches. It's got like a big bell-style bottom to it. Good for a football game in the fall or winter. It looks pretty big. Let's take a look at their video. Let me pop my headphones in so I can kind of hear what you're listening to. I'm not sure what's up with this weird seductive music. I would have made the video like more fun. Like, hey, would you like a big warm Sherpa blanket? But very weird video choice in my opinion. But you guys get the point. Looks like this comes in a variety of colors. And let's go down here and take a look at. Okay, so this one actually has stellar reviews. They got 161 positive reviews. And one thing I say about these videos a lot is like, a lot of times we find products that are good in theory but poor in execution. Either they use poor quality materials, didn't find a good supplier, and you can improve upon it. Maybe kind of hard to improve upon this one as they already seem to have stellar reviews, so I'm guessing it's well put together. Good materials, it's a pretty good size. Satisfy guarantee. This is definitely a Chinese seller, or they probably would have said satisfaction guarantee. Free replacement for all defectives, including workmanship and material. Contact us and we'll make it right. Let's see what kind of questions people have. Is this better than the Comfy? So I think there's another one called the Comfy. Way better. My friend has a Comfy, and this one is way better material. Also thicker and better quality. Is it like a hoodie? It's like a giant hoodie. Is there elastic at the wrist to hold the sleeves on short arms? Yes, there is. How big of a person does this fit? My husband is 6'1", 221, and well, this fits his body. His arms and legs are too long. Here somebody posted a picture of them wearing this, and it does look huge. Let's see what, read a couple reviews here. It's getting cold at night, and it's practically winter now. Being a fat guy like me wasn't easy to find comfy and lightweight blankets without dragging on the floor. This is a genius invention, fit extremely comfortable and with quality material. Best of all, it fit me completely with much more room for my kids to squeeze in while watching TV. Let's see, quality control issue seems to come loose. I love this. Brother wanted to, but many of the seams are not sewing. Had to get a sewing machine out and basically reassemble this. If you're not up for that, this is the wrong item. So they may have gotten a bad one, or they just have paid reviews, not really sure. Let's see. The sewing on the right shoulder was incomplete. So it does seem like there's some quality control issues, although the company does seem willing to replace these. But yeah, can you guys think of any other products that would be made better jumbo? Maybe you could take a sleeping bag and make it into a two-person sleeping bag. Maybe you could find a supplier who actually had this idea a while back. I was going to do like a beach towel called I believe I was going to call it Dose. And it was going to be a beach towel for two people, essentially a giant beach towel. They already make oversized beach towels, but it was basically going to be like two oversized beach towels sewn together. But a lot of different directions you can go with this. Thought it was kind of a neat product. Let me know what you guys think of it. Drop a comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel and would like to see more episodes of Weird Products Daily, click that subscribe button down below. Rules for Rebels and Weird Products Daily signing out. We'll catch you tomorrow.